very, very quiet. I'm hunting swine pots. Be very, very quiet. Oh, there's one. That wascally swine pot. I'm gonna get you, you swine pot. That looks fucking awful. Holy fuck, that really looks terrible. Can you bring that in without spilling it all over yourself?
I'll try, see how naked I am. Done.
That didn't go well. Lex is taking a shower now. Oh, you're done? Oh, good. Okay. So we got that. The house smells like patat now. And we got a couple things going on. First of all, this was slimed yesterday. It's perfect. Except for the fact that I smell like patat. Like old library books patat. You know what I mean by old library books? A book that's been at the library since like 73. Pages have turned yellow and nobody's read it since then, and for some reason you end up with it, or like at a book sale or something. Nobody knows what these are anymore. There's a particular old library book smell. This is old patat smell. It's a cologne now. Alright, so here's the deal. We flipped a coin. And fortunately, I don't have to have this shit dumped on me again. That's wonderful. Besides the purple nurpleness and the stank, because I think it stank last year when we did this, the scabby crusties are pretty disgusting. First thing I need to do is get the little basket thing out of the drain. I think that would make it easier. Almost. There. Good. And since I'm at the sink, let's see how disgusting it is. Okay, the surface is hard. It doesn't feel all that bad. Oh, and then it's cold in the middle. Oh, it's pretty awful. Oh. Oh, man. I don't know. I'm going to get the sink recat figure in here. Yeah, already it's not wanting to really go down. So we're going to need the garbage disposal. Remember what I said about that? That you need that kind? Turn on the garbage disposal. See? It worked. If I move you in here. We'll let this fill. In fact, I'm going to take you over here because I kind of need to get in there and work on it. We'll see what I need. First, we're going to just let it overflow. Not to be confused with ant flow. There we go. Oh, good. The scabbies come right off. So just like when you make the slime and you have to add a lot of water, you need a lot of water to get rid of this crap too. Yeah, it's going now. Here we go. just kind of keep floating it over the edge. It's not entirely pleasant. Now it's getting very liquidy. There we go. As we get some water down, we'll add some of the hot juice. The color is stayed. There we go. And even the size count is getting a little hot, actually. This will help to loosen some of that. Oh, there's still some good chunks in there, but we're going to be okay once the pot is refilled. I know there's going to be armchair engineers. Just dump the whole thing. Why don't you throw it down the toilet? Why don't you shut up and mind your own fucking business? It's the way I do it. And that's if and only if I'm putting it down the drain. Sometimes I throw it out in a bucket, as I explained. Sometimes it goes in a bag. Look at the goodness in there. We'll give that one more pot of water. Full pot. That'll flush and drain out. All that kind of good stuff. That might take a minute. So while we're waiting, here's another neat trick. Turn off the garbage disposal for 1 minute.
Okay, I'll turn off the garbage disposal for 1 minute.
Ha. And now we'll let the pot refill. Lex is nowhere to be found, so I guess he is in the shower after dumping all this on himself. No, probably not. I only guesstimated in a minute. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I think we're going to be pretty close. Aha! Just about right on time. That wasn't too bad. Oh, the thing went back in the thing. You know, the little basket. That's why. It kind of fell back in there. That sounded good.
1
And no one will ever know that this ever happened. But I'll dump this out one more time, but you already see how to do this kind. Didn't seem to work too well without the cartilage disposal, so that's why I say if you're going to try this, a lot of water and you need a cartilage disposal. Otherwise, a couple of heavy black garbage bags, dump it in that. An old bucket that has a lid that you don't need anymore. Give it to the dog, maybe. Cats wouldn't eat this shit. And while doing this, it's also going to rehydrate all the potato chips in the pot. These kind. And make for easier washing. I think the thing is going to pull back in the thing again. Oh, well, it turns out I bullshitted long enough, you're going to watch it go down again. Wow, that's nifty. Yeah, it fell back in. But you get the general idea. I got cleanup to do. Turn off the garbage disposal.
Okay.
By the way, you can't do that yourself. As patented, I came up with that idea. So, something with a voice-controlled garbage disposal. Now you know. You're always going to remember this line from it, too. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.